To graph the equation of 3x plus y equals -1, we are going to find several points that the line of the equation passes through. And the points on the line are solutions to the equation. So, we are going to find solutions to 3x plus y equals -1. But to make it easier to find its solutions, let's first solve the equation for y. So, we are going to eliminate 3x on the left side by subtracting 3x. Then, the left side of the equation is simplified to y. And the right side of the equation can be rearranged to -3x minus 1. So, we are now going to work on the equation of y equals -3x minus 1. To graph the equation, let's find the values of y when x is 0, 1, and -1, which will help us complete this table. First, to find the value of y when x is 0, we are going to substitute 0 for x. -3 times 0 is 0, and this leaves only -1. So, when x is 0, y is -1. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point 0, -1. Next, to find the value of y when x is 1, we are going to substitute 1 for x. -3 times 1 is -3. And -3 minus 1 is -4. So, when x is 1, y is -4. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point 1, -4. Next, to find the value of y when x is -1, we are going to substitute -1 for x. -3 times -1 is 3. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So, when x is -1, y is 2. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point -1, 2. Now, let's plot these 3 points in a coordinate system. After plotting these, we can see that the points line up. So, let's draw a line through these points and put arrows on both ends of the line. And this is the line of 3x plus y equals -1.